Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. In this video I will be doing my 5-minute face with Merit Beauty. They sent me some amazing products that I have been loving, and I wanted to show you guys how I use them, what is my new faves, how I've been using it, and I'm just so excited. So keep watching if you want to know more. Also make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button so you can see more great beauty, hair, skincare, nails, travel, all kinds of videos. All right, so let's get started. So this is the box. Well, let me take the mirror out. This is my mirror that I'm just gonna, it comes with the Reiki tall, and this is like the little mirror that's on it, so I'm gonna use this to do my makeup later, so not included. But it was this cute little box they sent, and inside the box was this adorable little corduroy bag. Inside the box it says less is more. So it's this adorable little corduroy bag, and inside the bag are the goodies. And I love this as a makeup bag, especially for travel, because you see how it like mushes. That's going to be so key to jamming it in other bags, which is usually how I travel. So let's go through all the products. I'm going to show you guys each product and then use it. So it'll be a little more than a 5-minute face because I'll be talking through everything. So the first thing I'm going to start with is the Brow 1980. It's a volumizing brow pomade. So as you guys can see, my brows are already filled in with L'Oreal brow pencil, the big pencil, the angled one. So what I'm going to do is then come in with the pomade and just set those brows so that way they won't go anywhere. In the summertime especially, my face is super sweaty, and this has been helping me to keep my brows locked and loaded, okay? Because with it being summer, you got the hair, you got the mask, it's just so much going on, and you just feel super sweaty. So I'm gonna just come in, especially in the front. I really like to define it because that's where I have the most hair at. So I want to use the pomade to kind of stand her up in the front so my brows look a little more realistic. Not gonna say all the way real, but this does help her look a little less blocky. And like I said, lasts all day through the sweat and the pain and the tears. So I love, love, love the brow pomade. So we did the brow pomade. Next, I got my little box here on the ground. I want to do my favorite thing next, just because that is what I am excited about. But yep, I'm gonna do my favorite thing next. So first part of my favorite thing is the brush number 1. So this is a really great brush. It is perfect for blending the product. So what I'm going to show you next is the thing I'm really excited about. I mean, I'm excited about everything, but this is like top tier, taking the cake. It is the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. Okay, so I love cream foundations. I'm the kind of person that with liquid and powder, you have to cover your whole face with foundation to kind of make it blend, make it match. But with cream, you could just put it where you need it, and then that's it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scoot closer so y'all can see my face up close and personal as I get into this foundation. Let's go. Okay, so now I am super close, all up in your face, and I'm gonna show you guys why I love this foundation. So this is the Merit Beauty. I have the shade Tiger Eye, so that is my summer shade, but I would probably go a shade lighter for winter time. But Tiger Eye is a perfect match right now, and y'all are gonna see. So it has a super targeted little area, and this is why it is gonna be phenomenal for your 5-minute face natural makeup look. You ready? Here we go. This is all you gotta do. I'm like, okay, I'm looking at my face, where do I see discoloration at, right? So we got her here, and I'm gonna leave it a little unblended for now so that way you guys can see my chin and underneath my lip, around my nose, right? Oh, sorry, the mirror is messing with the light. And then underneath my eyes. So as you can see, I just got a few little areas that I just want to be different complected compared to what my real skin is, right? So watch this. Boom. She's done. We're putting the stick away. I just used a little brush to like clean the side of the stick. I look crazy, but there's a method to the madness, I promise you. A method to the madness. All right, on my face I'm a little cut off. There we go. All right, here we go. You see the little lines? That's it. Actually, I'm gonna adjust the camera and then come back again because I want you guys to really see how beautiful this is about to disappear. Okay, so we're back. Now I'm gonna take this beautiful blending brush and I want you guys to see, look at this. Seamless. I'm actually gonna do half of my face so you guys can see. Like discoloration wear, makeup wear, it just looks like I naturally, and I have a little extra, I'm gonna come on my forehead real quick. It just totally, oh sorry, I blocked the light again. It just totally seamlessly looks like a dewy, fresh face, and you would never think that I was strategically putting the foundation to make my skin look like that, right? So let's go back on the other side. I'm gonna try and hold the mirror low. That way I won't mess with the lighting. Oh my god, this stuff makes my skin look so pretty. I've been obsessed with this. Like, I was literally in the middle of a Zoom meeting and just putting this on my face and telling people how much I love it. This is just flawless looking. Like, it looks like real human skin, but you get the coverage and it's lightweight, it's breathable, long wearing. It's just, and you see how quickly I did that? Like, and then you could do that and be out the door and it looks so flawless. So definitely one of my new favorite foundations. I will be wearing this all the time because this is the kind of foundation that when you wear it, people say, oh, you have great skin, not, oh, you have nice makeup. So that is why I really like this foundation. So there are more goodies. I know you guys are thinking like that must be it because that was so amazing, but no, there's more. Let's keep going. I'm gonna put that down real quick. Ooh, yeah, you guys are getting it, the real deal, real timing, because this is the 5-minute face, right? So you can't finish a 5-minute face without doing the lashes. Clean lash lengthening mascara. What's great about this mascara is it gives color to your lashes, but then it also separates them, lengthens them, and it doesn't clump, and it's minimal work. So this is the packaging, and it's so easy. Let me see, I'm gonna try and position the mirror in a way so that way I don't block the light. And for someone with little eyes, a lot of times I don't like lengthening mascaras because the wands are too long and then I can't really use it on my little tiny eye. But this mascara is nothing like that. It makes it so easy to go in there and just get that real life lengthening. If I was born with, do you see that eye already? It makes you look like you were naturally born with beautiful lashes and then you just put a darker color on it. It doesn't make it look like it's clumpy, artificial. You're trying to do something that's not real. It's a really beautiful lightweight mascara and it doesn't clump, doesn't flake. So the only step I might have added was curling my lashes, but basically look at this eye and then look at that eye and see how quickly I did this. This is going to be your I gotta go but I want to look beautiful makeup routine. And honestly, I have lately been getting every place I try to go late, so I'm gonna have to really, this is gonna be my new thing because I want to look cute, I want to look glam, but I also need to get out the door. And that's just that on that. Everything's been delayed, traffic, the Uber stuck in traffic, train stuck in traffic. Like, I just need to look cute and go so that way I can fight these streets trying to get where I want to be at. There we go, boom. So pretty looking. such a pretty natural looking mascara. And it's funny, I've tried so many mascaras looking for this look, but a lot of them either just give me over the top drama and I'm like, fine, I'll take it, or it's just not enough to be like, and it's like too natural looking, like it doesn't give me a beautiful look. But this mascara is perfect. It almost is like mascara and eyeliner in one. Like, you see how it made my eyes like draw up, almost like I lined them. I love that. And the last piece of the 5-minute face that I love is the shade Slick tinted lip oil. I have the shade Pink Beat. So this was my first lip oil that I've used. So I love the texture, the consistency, and it looks really pretty. I thought the lip oil was gonna look greasy and gross and something not wearable, but this is super wearable. And it's so lightweight and beautiful. I love it. It's like all the best things about a lip gloss and a lipstick in one. And there you can wear it 2 ways. So this is one way where it's like super sheared out and it gives you that pop of color, but it's like a really thin layer. And then you could go back in and do another layer, and then to make that color really bold, especially around that cupid's bow, that top part, you want to make that defined by patting it in. Boom. How beautiful is that? I look fresh. I have the even tone complexion. Lips look amazing. Lashes effortless. The only thing that might be missing from this is probably some setting powder. I do have oily combination skin, so as you can tell, my forehead and cheeks are giving you, and my chin also, are giving you reflective of the ring light. So it looks less oily in real life, but it's still a lot of shine coming through. So what I would do is just quickly take a little setting spray. It should all come down, or maybe do a little touch of powder. But one thing I did notice is even when I didn't powder it, I kept the same amount of glow throughout the day. So like, this is how glowy I look. Like, it never got worse. And I kind of like the dewy look. I'm very much a satin skin kind of girl. So love, love, love Merit Beauty's products. I will list them below. I think you should definitely check them out. This is like neck and neck with Bobbi Brown's cream stick foundation for like my new favorite cream foundation. This stuff is smooth as butter and it just makes your skin look perfect, and it's so easy. So thank you so much for coming to my channel and watching this video, and I'll see you next time.